Hello lovers of Bukiti Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing some items I got to just ace with my wigging and all of that, So first we got this butterfly machine, and here is the handout, like the instruction manual. Like, am I supposed to read all of this? I guess so, because I have no idea what I'm doing with this machine. So I guess I'll have to go through this to see what I'm supposed to do. So next we have our baby. So wait for it. Guys, I'm so happy. This is going to ease me a lot of stress and kind of like cut my labor into two. Hopefully. Because then again, you never know. Hand wigging might just be for you. But till then, all the same, we're happy. So first we have its charger and motor. So here's a plug-in for electricity, and here we have our machine. So guys, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Like, this is just perfect for what I needed. So I really love this a lot because it's very portable and doesn't take up a lot of space. So this is very ideal. So I'm going to be using this for wig making, but I believe you can use this for designing your dresses and maybe just some lightweight sewing, I guess. So yeah, so we're just going through the manual and everything. So next we have, I think this is bobbin sets, I guess. I hope, and there are the needles. Like, when you're getting this, get heavy duty needles, because when you're making a wig, the wafts might be strong, so using a normal needle might break it. So next we're going to unbox this other package where I have the rest of the stuff I got. So the first person out of this is my wig cap. So here is a normal wig cap. We all know we have different types of wig caps. So here is a normal dome wig cap. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Come for me, don't come for me. So yeah, so here's a normal wig cap for wigging. And then here we have our polymer head. Like, I've been seeing a lot and hearing a lot of this, so I just had to get it for myself. As you can see, it has a ngopo. And there is a size 23. So for my research I gathered, I had a size 22. From the research I gathered, apparently this is going to really help a lot with wigging and glueless, because it really has guidelines for you to follow. So I got it all in the 3 sizes, small, medium and large. That is 21, 22 and 23. And hopefully, I believe any person's head type would definitely fit into this with minor adjustments. So as you can see, there are literally different sizes. Then I also got these 360 wigs because I just wanted to do a little bit of restyling and stuff like that. So yeah, so I got this 360 20-inch. So I'm still figuring out what I want to do with it, because I'm not going to use it exactly as it is. So I might change the 20-inch and use maybe the 360 and fit in a different length into the wig. So yeah, like I said, I'm still figuring out what to do with it. I have something in mind, so I got it to see if I can bring what I have in mind to reality, because I guess, I don't know if it's just me, but it seems as if it's a little bit difficult to just get a 360, like just a normal 360 frontal with not a wig, just the normal 360 frontal to use to do whatever I want to do with. So I just decided to get this because, yeah, I have something figured out. I know what I'm going to do. So stay tuned and wait for it. So next on the list, we have our original wig caps. Like, here's the packaging, and it comes in various sizes as well. I'm also happy that my supplier did mix a little bit of both, because I didn't even think of that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye.